Hello, is this Sir Top Hat? Yep, this is Sir Top Hat speaking. Everyone, it's time to wake up, time to work for the railway. Oh, hey Percy, there's some guy in the Northwestern that needs a load of coal. Can you do that? Womp womp. Alright, off you go! Go! Womp womp! Oh, hey dog, I sent a train to get that coal. Roger that. Coal coming right up. Where is it? Thanks, man. You can head off now. Coal delivered. That's great. Junior, Sonic, you got a package in the mail. Thanks. Why you call me Junior? Young Bao, you can go. Must be stuck. Maybe because of some sand. Wait. Wait. No. Oh no. I better make a call. Young Bao. I know it was an accident, but I've been waiting for that package for weeks. You've been spending away for the railway for a while. Anyways, there you go. Be careful. There's dynamite. Oh, hold on! Wait! Move on! The bridge is not safe! That was a close one. No. James! Help! Wait! You're grounded! I don't care about the rolling stock. I want my express engine! What's going on here? I can't watch. I did it! Yeah! Hey, Gumball, let's go! I was just laying, but I saw the whole thing. Good job, Young Bell. Engine! And you're ungrounded. Hey, Young Bell. I decided to reward you with something. It's this. Your very own tender. Thanks, sir. You're welcome. Anyways, it's kind of late. I'll be heading to bed. Yeah, all of us too. Yeah, let's go!